Welcome to vStellar. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create an iOS test case using vStellar Studio. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded all the required prerequisites and completed your mobile setup. If you haven't done that yet, check out our prerequisite setup video and the documentation link in the description below. Once everything's ready, open vStellar Studio. You can either create a new project or open an existing one to get started. In this video, we already have a sample project open to walk you through the test execution process. From the toolbar, click on the config option and a pop-up will appear. On the left panel, you'll see a mobile option. Click it open. This is where we define our mobile capabilities, which tell vStellar what device or simulator to connect with and what configurations to use. We've added 2 sample capability sections. You can modify them according to your own device setup. Once done, click Save. Next, let's check out the locators. For mobile testing, locators are essential for identifying and interacting with elements on your app screen. If you'd like to learn how to fetch locators directly from a mobile app, make sure to watch our previous tutorial linked below. In this project, we've already created the required locators for the demo. To view them, open the test data folder in the Project Explorer, navigate to the UI section, and open the locators data file. You'll notice separate files for iOS and app. You can also organize your locator files into separate subdirectories to keep everything structured and easy to manage. Now, let's move to the feature file. In the Project Explorer, go to the Test Suite and open the mobile folder. You'll find the feature file here. I've already created this file and added the feature name and scenario name. Open it and you can start writing the scenario step by step. As you type keywords like when user, vStellar will auto-populate pre-built methods. Just select the one you need. For mobile testing, the first step you'll write is when the user sets the desired capability with the key name you have already selected in the mobile config. This step has one parameter. The key you mention here must exactly match the key defined in your config file. All other steps have parameters too, which have been discussed in a separate video on creating locators. After writing the first step, you can continue writing the remaining steps as per your project requirements. Once the feature file is ready, it's time to run the test. From the toolbar, open the runner file and select Run Execution. You'll see the execution being performed on the connected mobile device. And that's how easily you can create and run iOS test cases using vStellar Studio.